Hi, and this is BC Watch Repair, and today I am going to show you guys how to repair a hairspring watch, which we all have many hairspring, like it's gonna like doesn't have the nip. This one doesn't have the nip, um, like this one has the nap. As you see, that's the nap to going to here. Okay, so now I want to teach you guys how to uh, the hair string, the one they don't have a nap, how we can fix them. So there is the tools I made myself. All you need to make, show you guys. This is a small tool you need to make. This guy is a like a quarter size, and this sharp at the center, and is half an inch tall. Yeah, and then after you making this, just make a cut here. As you see, I made a cut here. Make a cut here, and as I made a cut. Yeah, make the cut here, and I tell you after why you're making that cut. And then you need one of these pivot cleaner. They are kind of like a wood, and everybody has this guy, and it's very easy to punch in type. Okay, so you're one of this. You're gonna uh, put this one on top of it. Let me put the camera on the bottom. So let's see what I'm doing here. So here, I'm closer. I'll go farther for you guys to see it. Yeah, yeah. So I'm putting that on this one, and this is the hair spring. It doesn't have a nip. It doesn't have a nip. It's just empty head. You see that? Okay. So you want to put the head. What do you do? So all you have to do is this is a brass bar, which is like a 2 millimeter thick. What you do, you have to make a cut on here, make a chuck at the head of it, like let you see here. You can see it here. Make a small chuck. Is it showing good? Yeah. Make a small chuck, like this chuck was here. Make a small chuck here, and then you made a chuck. Then you put this bar at that cut you did. You did a cut. I'll show you guys. Yeah, that's the idea. That's the cut. I put it, install it there, and it stay completely even at 90 degrees. Now all you have to do, you have to choose the side you want to put on. Let me choose my side, and I want it to be like that one. So it goes this way. So I need it to be this backward like that, and install my hairspring here at the center. I'll show you guys after what I did. Okay, so this is the idea. Now it is ready to put the solder. You see that's inside the chuck. The cut you did at the tip of that, and is exactly is 90 degree and is very easy to do. Now all I have to do is put some flaps and the gun, here gun, and then that's it. There you go. I welded it, nice and clean. Now what you have to do, you have to take it off the center, and this is what you have. Now you can cut it as long as you want, and you have a hairspring with a tip, or if the tip is not good or you want to change the tip, you can cut it and change your tip suitable for yourself to work with. And now there is my saw. My saw is here. Also handy is the small saw. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it this long. Okay. So let it go. Mm, mm, which one is it next here? Oh, here it is. No, here the hairspring we made, which is the didn't have tip. Okay, so next time I'm gonna show you guys some hairspring we have in our stock always, which is the center part is broken, like this center part, this one is broken, or sometimes they don't have it. They have a hairspring like this one, which it does not have a center and does not have a pen. So I'll show you guys how to repair the center. So this video is from BC Watch Repair. My name is Muhammad. Let me know what you think. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, have a good trip.